below. Okay, let's talk about color grading, because color grading is one of the best ways to stylize your footage. Most smartphones shoot in a very similar picture profile. It's usually quite saturated and the colors are boosted, but we can change that by adding a color grade. We could go dark and moody, we could go bright and colorful. Again, experimentation is key. Do what works best for you and your footage. Play around with contrast, white balance, saturation. Personally, I use my own custom LUTs, as these are specifically designed for smartphone footage. I can just drag these on and with the click of a button add any of these presets to my edit, giving each one a different style, and this saves me a ton of time. I will link my smartphone LUT pack in the description below. Okay, number 9, camera apps. Let's talk about camera apps because this is important. Now, when first starting out, your phone's native camera app will be more than enough for what you need. The app is simplistic, it's easy to use and delivers great results. But for some of you, particularly those of you that are taking things a bit